Travel with Toniann.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Welcome to JamRock, man.
Yeah.
We got a base out here saying Queens and everything. Yep, this is it. Our favorite spot, go to home. We're right at the central. We're at the kitchen right here. So, spot is open 7 days a week. And on weekends, we have this beautiful, outdoor hangout setting on the, the side of the building here. But this is it. This is the spot to be. One of 20 something locations in the city. And we're here just serving up the most authentic Jamaican jerk and cuisine that we can create. And I think we have been creating that over the past couple of years. And it's a pleasure having you out here with us. We've kind of kept things streamlined and simplified over the years. We can do just about anything Jamaican, but we tune it to the most favorite thing. So focus on the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, and the stewed oxtails. And probably you have to do a little talk about that. Some people are going to say stew or stewed, but anyway, stewed oxtails for us. Alright. Rice and peas, fried plantains, fresh salad. We do some mac and cheese as well. And we have our own bottled lemonades and so on and so forth. We have probably about, how many flavors are in it? Probably about 8. About 8 flavors of those. We make those in-house and everything. So that's our menu. We, like I said, we've kept it streamlined so that we can focus on producing 3 great things instead of 12, average or subpar things and so on. So that's why it's simple. So if you come here, so you know exactly where I get, have to pick and choose too much. You can look between 1, 2, and 3 and grab the best thing. Obviously, the most popular is going to be the jerk chicken. And my favorite though is the jerk pork, and the favorite of many as well is the oxtail. So don't ask me for advice for which one to take. I can't help you. Right, but good stuff overall. Just to give you guys a little tour of the layout. Looking at a fully patented unit, New York's first legally permitted food cart with the smokers, the charcoal, with all of the equipment and those elements necessary for authentic Jamaican jerk. Very proud to say that. We know where we come from and stuff. What we've been able to do is to take this cuisine, take our craft, take our street style jerk, off of the road kind of thing, and get it mainstream, formalize it so that we can introduce it in some of the most high neighborhoods here in New York City. So that's what we're looking at. Like I said, patented. It took years to come up with the design and put it together. We've mastered it and we'll continue to develop as we go along as well. It's an ongoing process of perfecting the equipment and obviously perfecting the art, but that's what we're looking at here and everything. The single most important piece of equipment in our operation and so on. But we can look on some of the food now. So we talked about rice and peas earlier, so we'll have some of that here. Alright, so we have rice and peas, we have the stewed oxtails over here, so we'll look at gravy. So one thing with it, we're not stingy with the gravy. Oxtail gravy is actually served standard on every single meal. If you do not want it, make you know how we exclude it here. But that's a standard thing. You don't have to ask for it. If you miss it, we're going to feel away because it's something over the standard. Alright? Gravy must up on the thing. We have a jerk in the back, the jerk meat, we have a chicken and we have a pork. We're going to take a look on them later, but we're cutting board here, so we'll chop up everything, we'll keep it authentic. Alright? There's elements of this that must be maintained for you to call it authentic, for you to kind of say, yo, yeah, deliver something from yard the most effective way possible. We try to maintain as many of those elements as possible. So cutting board, have all a knife mark them in there because it's real, literally out there, chop it up and so on and so forth. So we have some sides, we have some mac and cheese as well, right? And we talked about the fried plantains earlier. We have only for that sweet fried plantains when I make a mistake with that something there and everything. And we do a fresh salad, and that's meant to be a little bridge between our culture and mainstream New York, mainstream America, mainstream US. Salads is a big thing here, and not only that, but we added that to the menu and made that the vegetable staple to bring vibrance to the plates. When you start to plate some food and eat some food later, you'll see what I talk about when you say vibrance, because we're all about the life of the thing. We're all about the life in each plate and how flourishing it looks and how vibrant it is. When you buy the plate of food, you're supposed to contemplate if you want to even bother eat the plate of food because it looks so good. You just want to leave it exactly how it's there and everything. But this is the flow of things, this is the flow of everything here. Again, we've just tried to represent this thing, and as a most effective way as possible. Even if you took a moment to just zoom in our logo a little bit, we make sure so we maintain a street side thing there, right? Huge element of the thing. You know, the logo incorporates the authenticity of Jamaican jerk, which is done on the pans on the street. We can't take the pan and carry it up on the midtown street, right? We can't do that to happen, but we could have formalized, and that's what we've done. And again, that's what we're proud of. I'm gonna look on the main highlight of the thing, alright? So up here, so we have all the jerk, alright? Nice and slow, low and slow. Jerk chicken on one side over there, so we have the jerk pork on this side. Alright, big thing for us, we're in the dry meat stuff, and over the years, the guys have perfected the craft to the point of getting it to that level where everything is just beautifully caramelized. You know, you could look at the meat and just kind of tell and know, say, hey, see the seasoning there, see the marination there, you can see the whole process in that final product that comes out. Again, I talked about the pork earlier, I just my favorite. I look at it right now, I feel that we need to grab a piece the way, but you know, that's the reality of what we do here. You know, it's beautiful, it's engaging, and just being able to take this to, you know, the streets of New York, and as time progresses into other places, just being able to bring it to places that we probably wouldn't be able to. You know, that's what, you know, has really made us over these years. You know, it's a core element of the operation. You know, when we go to site out a new location, you know, we have a couple of questions that we always ask, you know. One of them is primarily, is our cuisine here? Is our cuisine in this place? Is this somewhere that we could introduce all this greatness to, and all this amazing culture and all these flavors to? And if the answer is yes, that's where we're going. Not that we don't take the food to places where the food is, but primarily, you know, we consider ourselves, you know, pioneers for the most part. We like to chart our own course, we like to go out there, bring it to the neighborhoods, bring it to the people when they're familiar with it. They might come and get vacation and so on and so forth and taste a little piece here or there. But we make it a primary to bring this cuisine, bring our Jamaican culture, our Jamaican jerk, bring this cuisine to the masses that probably wouldn't be able to take advantage of it. But this is it. You want to zoom in more on the chicken? I'm telling you, yeah, I feel like we need to grab out of one leg, but we're not going to do that at all. We have some amazing people out the front that wait for it, so I'll take it easy and everything, but beautiful stuff. Again, you know, just all with the goal of authenticity. We haven't been able to incorporate pimento wood, but we have a look at secrets and we look at so on and so forth to get the flavor in there. So we're not going to spill all that, but you know, when we eat some food later, you'll taste all that too, and you'll know the deal. But this is it, this is us here and everything. Alright?